Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use speech maker option on the designs.ai website. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we need to go to the designs.ai website. And after going there, what we have to do, we have to go to the dashboard section. And then in the dashboard section, you will be able to see the speech maker option. So we have to open this in a new window. So as you can see, I have already opened it. Now let's follow this link. Now simply what we have to do, we have to write the command here. For example, I am going to write, and now simply what we have to do, as you can see, we have to choose the language, that in which language you want to convert a speech to text. For example, I want in the French or the English United States. And after that, we have to choose the voiceover sample. As you can see, these voiceover samples are provided here. For example, I'm going to use this one here. If you want to hear this, you can also do that. You have to click on this. So as you can see now, what we have to, free users are limited 5 characters per day. So we have the limit for the 5 characters per day because we are using a free version. And now what we have to do, simply we have to click on the convert. And after clicking on the convert, it will take few seconds in converting your text to voice. So as you can see now, the voice is generated. Now simply you have to click on the download to mp3, and this will be downloaded. So in this way you can use a speech to text option, text to speech option. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.